where the change is happening. And once again, the spotlight is coming back to the writer. So, God bless the moment. Thank you.
I had no idea I'll have to produce the film when I was writing it. I remember this very stage and this very platform, same people. It feels like coming back to family where we started. And seriously, we had no idea, in context to the lab, that we had a script. We had funding and we were making the film, and we had full funding. And then we came to lab thinking, let's go, let's meet nice people, let's exchange thoughts, what's going to change. That was our thought when we came to the lab. Didn't know we'll be ripped apart, the whole script will change, ideas will change, our thoughts will change. The essence remained the same, but really what happened through the lab is that the script that we came out with after 42 drafts, we lost half of our funding, thanks to Mumbai Mantra Lab. And essentially then began the true essence and the true journey began. And at that point, I really questioned myself, what the hell happened? And took really long time to make this film. Thank you again. That feel truly blessed and amazing about ourselves of having done that, irrespective of what we went through, to have made what we couldn't have made without our mentors and without this lab and without that process. So I'm eternally grateful for Mumbai Mantra to do that to us and making us come all the way here. So it's okay if you lose your funding. It's worth it.
I echo Nilesh's sentiments. It really feels like you're coming back to a family. And the last Mahindra session, I think we were figuring out how to do the script, what to do, where do we go, the mentors were with us. And here we are, and I can't believe that with this film we've traveled so far with this. We went to Cannes Festival, we won an award, we've released the film. Really feels surreal, you know, I can't believe I'm standing here. And it has been just a year and a half since we've finished the last session. So I'm very grateful to all of you, and I just want to tell the mentors that, you know, you are going to be truly nurtured and taken very good care of your scripts, and take these sessions very seriously, because the kind of treatment that we got with our script, I don't think we could have. I mean, it was a truly great experience, because we learned our own mistakes that we, to be honest with you, I can admit it right now, that, you know, when we came on the script with to the lab, we actually thought that, I mean, we are pretty well off with the script, and we've done through so many labs with Akshat and Navdeep here, who mentored on one of the earlier labs. And we thought that we are pretty okay with the script and we don't need to, let's see what happens. So I think that myth got broken, and we were truly surprised to see so many layers being opened up, and so many of our things got sorted with speaking to all of these mentors who take special care. I want to mention one particular example that happened. Like one of the mentors, she actually drew stick figures against each scene on my screenplay, and she actually wrote the subtext for each dialogue. And she told me how your subtext is not flowing well. So that is the kind of detail that you're going to go through. So please cherish this moment. Varun?
Okay, yeah. First of all, sorry, I was going through a health crisis last year, so I couldn't come to the lab. But I actually felt I was almost there, because Neeraj came back with these recordings of nearly 30 hours or so of feedback. He was recording everything there. I had
transcribed.
Yeah, and then he transcribed it, and then I went through all of it. We both went through all of it, and we didn't lose our funding. So that was another. So not all films lose their funding, but it it was really, I think a lab is the only way we can have, because I think probably we don't have that culture of that script development, departments in production houses here, and we generally just want the final script in our production houses. Now some people are doing that, and hopefully more will do that, but nothing can replace the script lab and the mentoring you get there, because it's like, I don't know how many of you know this term, but Vipassana with your script. It's like, you get like 10 days living with your script all the time, while eating, all the time you're just with it, going to a script lab. Otherwise, at your home, while you're writing, there are so many distractions, and there are so many failings of humankind. You just kind of, get away from your script. But that is where you start seeing your script as a part of yourself, as a part of your body, which is what is required ultimately to take it to the final whatever the pre-shooting draft, I would say. So that way it was absolutely brilliant from the kind of feedback, as Neeraj said. I started seeing my script in a completely different way, and it was okay, I'm out of words. So thanks a lot again, and I hope last year we have